Laws of heredity. Father of genetics, Mendel, Austria. Gregor Johann Mendel is regarded as the father of genetics. He was born in Austria and conducted groundbreaking experiments in the field of heredity. Mendel performed his experiments on peanut plants and published his findings in a paper titled Proceedings of the History Society of Bravim. From his research, he formulated 3 fundamental laws of heredity, which are 1. Law of similarity, 2. Law of variation, 3. Law of regression. 1. Law of similarity. According to this law, offspring inherit similar traits from their parents. In other words, an organism produces offspring of its own kind. For example, a lion always gives birth to a lion. Similarly, a rose plant produces rose flowers, not any other type of flower. This law suggests that parents pass on their characteristics to their children. For instance, tall parents are more likely to have tall children. Likewise, musically talented parents may have children who are good at music. The reason for this similarity is that the genes inherited from parents are passed on to their children, leading to similar physical and behavioral traits. Example, a famous cricketer's child might also be good at sports due to inherited talent and interest. 2. Law of variation. This law states that offspring can have different characteristics from their parents. In other words, the traits acquired by children may not be identical to those of their parents. This variation occurs due to genetic mutations or unique combinations of genes during fertilization. Examples: curly-haired parents can have a straight-haired child. Brown-eyed parents can have a blue-eyed child. According to the law of variation, children born to the same parents exhibit different characteristics due to the distinct combinations of genes they inherit. Example: one sibling may be extroverted while the other is introverted, despite having the same parents. 3. Law of regression. This law explains that abnormal combinations of genes can lead to offspring having reduced or regressive traits compared to their parents. This happens due to a reduction in genes. Such regressive traits are often observed in cases of consanguineous marriages, close relatives marrying. Inherited genetic disorders. Examples: healthy parents may give birth to a child with a genetic disorder due to abnormal gene combinations. Intelligent parents may have a child with learning disabilities due to genetic mutations. Note: according to these 3 laws of heredity, every human being on earth can be categorized under one of these laws. This means that all human traits are influenced by either similarity, variation, or regression.